Once upon a time, in the bustling kitchen of the Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beery Blossom had a brilliant idea. "Let's have a cooking competition," exclaimed Chef Beery, their eyes sparkling with excitement. The young animal chefs, Bunny Baker, Panda Pâtissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef, all cheered with delight. "Yay! A cooking contest!" Bunny Baker hopped with joy. "Let's see who can make the yummiest dish." Panda Pâtissier clapped their paws together. But first, they needed to gather all the ingredients and tools they would need. So, they counted and gathered. 1 red bowl, 2 yellow whisks, 3 green spatulas, 4 blue measuring cups, 5 orange spoons, 6 purple plates, 7 pink aprons, 8 brown pots, 9 white napkins, and 10 black frying pans. With everything in place, the mini chefs were ready to start cooking. "Let the cooking competition begin," announced Chef Beery Blossom, waving their wooden spoon like a magic wand. Bunny Baker scrambled eggs, while Panda Pâtissier whipped up a fluffy cake batter. Kitty Cooks chopped colourful vegetables, and Squirrel Sous Chef sprinkled nuts and seeds. As they cooked, the kitchen filled with delicious smells and happy laughter. Each mini chef poured their heart and soul into their dish, determined to win the competition. Finally, after much stirring, mixing, and tasting, the dishes were ready. "Now, let's taste each other's creations," suggested Chef Beery Blossom. Bunny Baker's scrambled eggs were fluffy and golden. Panda Pâtissier's cake was moist and sweet. Kitty Cook's salad was crisp and colourful. And Squirrel Sou's Chef's nutty granola was crunchy and delicious. "It's so hard to choose a winner," exclaimed Chef Beery Blossom, scratching their head in confusion. But then they had an idea. "Why don't we all be winners?" suggested Chef Beery. "After all, cooking together and having fun is the best prize of all." The mini chefs cheered with joy, knowing that in the end, the true reward was friendship, teamwork, and the joy of cooking together. And as they sat down to enjoy their delicious feast, they knew that they would always be a winning team, no matter what.